Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you want to try to open your Spotify on your PC and you are facing something problem like this, something went wrong, it's not load on your PC. Don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till then and follow my step to fix the problem. Check for server status of Spotify. For this, go to click on the down editor and scroll down and check the server status. As you can see here, many users are reported in the server status. If no issue found in the server, then next is go to the drop down menu and click on the extension. Now manage extension and disable the ad blocker extension. After doing this, check again the problem, refresh this. As you can see here, my problem is solved. If your problem is not solved, then go to the Microsoft Store and download Spotify app and install this. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. If it is not, then go to the setting and click on the window update and check for the window update. If your update is available, then update it and install this and restart your device. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is good for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.